Welcome. This year, St. Michael Catholic School has earned the privilege of sending not one, but two teams to the first Tech Challenge World Robotics competition. Our boys team won the Minnesota State FTC Championship, and our girls team won the Inspire Award, the highest honor given by First Robotics. Please consider sponsoring our teams as we begin preparing for the first Tech Challenge World Competition. And thank you for taking a couple minutes to hear from my teammates and our mentors.
Hi, we're Team 4644, the girls' robotics team from St. Michael Catholic School.
We're Team 5330, the boys' robotics team from St. Michael Catholic School.
My favorite thing about robotics is that it teaches us about the technology that we use today and opens up a lot of new job options for us. There are over 50 countries around the world, including the United States, Germany, Russia, Australia, and in the United States, Minnesota was the first state to actually consider FIRST Robotics an actual sport.
Mentoring for me, I think, has been a real neat chance to just continue with something that I love to do, which is help kids learn. Have that opportunity to not really be in a standard classroom, still be able to have these kids that come from so many different strengths and hopefully help them get a chance to learn new things that they're good at that they maybe never even thought of doing before. Hopefully inspire them to be the best they can be in whatever they choose to do.
You know, Gina and I defined a successful season as mentors, as the kids having fun, being safe, learning something along the way. For them to achieve what they did at the state competition was really breathtaking for us and unanticipated. But at the same time, you know, really, had we ended up in last place as the two teams there, it still would have been a successful season because our goals would have been met. I think the kids, if you asked them universally, they would say that they learned something and that they had fun doing it.
The Inspire Award is the highest award you can get at the competition, and this year the girls team 4644 got it, and this allows us to go to the World Championship in St. Louis.
Awesome thing about this program is kids in FIRST are the same kids that we're going to be hiring for internships several years down the road, the kids at the high school level, 5, 6, 7, 8 years down the road for kids graduating from college. So this is just an opportunity to show them how math, science, and engineering can be applied and see if they'll take off into those programs as a college career.
This year's competition was called Ring It Up. There are a rack in the middle of the field. There are different levels, and you build a robot based on what you want it to do.
For First Robotics FTC, we have 2 alliance partners, and there's 2 groups of 2 partners. And the alliances are randomly selected, so your alliance for one match might be your opponent for the other one. You work together with your alliance to score points. As a girl, this First Robotics program has really helped me explore math and science outside the classroom, and that engineering is actually really fun, and math and science can be fun, and as a girl we can be engineers too.
Robotics means to me
things like marketing,
Gracious professionalism.
it is about the experience of learning and getting to try new things that you would never tried before.
In April, we will be competing with 128 teams in the world competition in St. Louis, Missouri.
However, the trip to St. Louis in the world competition is an expensive one. Your donation would cover travel expenses and tournament registration fees as well.